take you now on another little tour here in Medjugorje. The streets of Medjugorje. It's evening, 6 o'clock. Evening program starts soon. But I want to just give you some impressions what's going on here, how people get to the evening program. Hello. And see many pilgrims here now. We are coming closer to the 25th, the birthday of the apparitions, the 41st birthday of the apparitions. And you can see there are pilgrims in town, as you can see here, bus loaded. And I always love that they have the picture of Our Lady in the bus in the front. Isn't that beautiful that people visibly can see where these people go on a pilgrimage to Medjugorje. You see how people are exhausted as it's still so hot here. And there's a friend of mine coming. This nun is a beautiful nun. I did an interview with her, and you can find that. It's a Benedictine nun of the Divine Mercy. Hello. See, the best sold product is ice cream here in Medjugorje. Hi. And if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video and give a like. You also can do a donation if you like for my ministry. You find the information below in the description of that video. I thank you for that. And I wish you a joyful good day wherever you are. I pray for you here. Please pray for me as well. And here you can see the shops of Medjugorje. I will go now a little bit this way, and that will be the next video. Come with me.